Good day, viewers. You are welcome. In this video, we are going to be solving f of 1 over x equals x plus square root of 1 plus x squared for f of x. So here we have the f of 1 over x, which is in a fractional form. I want to find only f of x. So to do that, we are going to suppose we let this 1 over x equals y. Then we make y the subject of the formula. So when we cross multiply, we have xy equals 1. Then we divide both sides by y so that we have x equals 1 divided by y. So when we start this, it means that anywhere we see 1 over x, we replace it with y, and anywhere we see x, we replace it with 1 over y. So from this 1, therefore we have f of, instead of 1 over x, we replace it with y, then equals to, so for x also, we are going to replace it with 1 divided by y plus the square root of 1 plus, open bracket, because of square, we create a bracket for this, then 1 over y raised to power of 2. So having this, we continue by writing f of y equals 1 divided by y plus, so here we write it as the square root of 1 plus, so here by rule of indices, we're going to have 1 square, and 1 square is 1 divided by also y square, as both of them share that square. So here we find the LCM for us to have f of y here equals 1 divided by y plus the square root of, so when y square multiply 1, we have y square plus 1 divided by y square. And next we have, so from what we have in the root, we can separate it based on the rule of sort, and we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus, we give them the separate root so that this one becomes square root of y square plus 1 divided by, also this one is also taking root y square. Next we have f of y equals 1 divided by y plus, so we're going to write this thing as it is because the operation between y square and 1 is addition, so which means we cannot say we cut this, we cut this, no. So the only thing we can do is for this one, which is y square, so this and this cancelled, then we have only y. So if this is cleared, then we have this as y at the denominator, this also y at the denominator, so we can rewrite this thing in a proper form as f of y equals 1 plus the root of y square plus 1 all divided by y. And we need to find f of x, and this is f of y. We should note that y and x, they are members of real number, so we just have to replace this y with x, so that we have f of x equals 1 plus the square root of x square plus 1 divided by x. And this is the result to this problem, as again the value of x here is also greater than 0. So as we have already stated it above that x greater than 0, so it also holds for when we have f of x, and also similar to when we have f of 1 divided by x. X must be greater than 0, so for us to have a defined function. Thanks for watching, and if you are new here to this channel, you find this video interesting, please do it to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next class. Never stop learning. Bye bye.